Heavy-duty transport is one of the biggest sources of pollution in the world. Large trucks, buses, mining vehicles, and cargo transport systems consume massive amounts of fuel every day. While electric batteries work well for small cars, they become too heavy and slow to charge for long-distance heavy transport. That's why many companies are now focusing on hydrogen as a cleaner energy source. But there are two major technologies competing for the future: hydrogen combustion engines and hydrogen fuel cells. Hydrogen combustion engines work similarly to traditional diesel engines by burning hydrogen inside the engine to create power. Fuel cells, however, do not burn hydrogen at all. Instead, they use a chemical reaction to generate electricity that powers electric motors. Both systems produce far fewer emissions than diesel, but engineers are still debating which technology is more efficient and practical for the future of transport. The biggest difference between these technologies is efficiency. Hydrogen combustion engines still lose a large amount of energy through heat and exhaust gases like traditional fuel engines. Most hydrogen combustion systems achieve around 35 to 45% efficiency. Fuel cells are much more efficient because they directly convert hydrogen into electricity without combustion. Many fuel cell systems can reach 50 to 60% efficiency. The electric motors connected to them can exceed 90% efficiency. Fuel cell vehicles also provide instant torque, making them excellent for carrying heavy loads uphill or over long distances. However, hydrogen combustion engines still have some important advantages. They are easier to repair, cheaper to manufacture, using existing engine technology, and more durable in harsh environments where advanced fuel cell systems may struggle. The future of heavy-duty transport may not depend on only one technology. Fuel cells are currently becoming popular for long-range commercial trucks and public transport because of their high efficiency and lower emissions. At the same time, hydrogen combustion engines may remain useful in industries like construction, agriculture, mining, and military transport, where simple maintenance and rugged performance are extremely important. One major challenge for both systems is hydrogen infrastructure. Producing clean hydrogen and building refueling stations across the world will require huge investments and advanced technology. Still, governments and automotive companies continue investing billions into hydrogen research because reducing carbon emissions has become a global priority. Whether through combustion engines or fuel cells, hydrogen could completely transform the future of heavy-duty transportation and create cleaner roads for the next generation.